Never fumble for your wallet at Target again. Using Apple Pay is surprisingly simple. First things first, ensure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch. This means adding your credit or debit cards through the Wallet app if you haven't done this yet. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the on-screen prompts to add your card details. When it's time to pay at Target, grab your iPhone or Apple Watch. As you approach the checkout, you don't need to open a specific app. For iPhones, double-press the side button if you have an iPhone with Face ID. Glance at your screen to authenticate using Face ID. For iPhones with Touch ID, place your finger on the Touch ID sensor. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-press the side button. Your default card will appear. Now, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment reader on the terminal. It's usually indicated by a contactless symbol, which looks like Wi-Fi waves. Keep it there for a few seconds. You'll feel a subtle vibration and see a checkmark on your device's screen, along with the word done or approved on the payment terminal. This confirms your payment was successful. And that's it. Target's terminals are designed to work seamlessly with Apple Pay. If for any reason the payment doesn't go through, don't panic. Ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch is close enough and the terminal is ready. Sometimes simply restarting your device or checking your card issuer's app for any alerts can resolve minor glitches. Enjoy your hassle-free shopping at Target.